Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're doing the Real Madrid home shirt for the 25-26 season. And this is one of them shirts that really frustrates me actually. And I've done it because it's Real Madrid, but the shirts are just the same each year. This one could be a 25-26 shirt. It could be a 2012 shirt. And they just look the same. Obviously you've got different sponsors, but everything else really for me just looks the same. So we'll get it out, we'll do the full review, but I'm not overly excited by this one. The shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link from my usual seller. I think I might be able to find this item. If I can, I'll do this exact one. If I can't, I will find something else. The shirt itself comes in a standard Alice bag, and on the flip side, our usual health warnings. So as I said, this is from BestZV1.com. All the details of the seller in the description of this video. Is that just a sticker on the bag, or is that something on the E? It might be on the E actually, that's a bit weird. It's got a gap in the E. What's that sticker? We'll have a look when we get it out anyway. But I said, yeah, BestZV1.com. All details in the description of this video. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, messages, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But right now, we'll unpack this Real Madrid 25-26 shirt and take a look. So we start on the front of the shirt, and it's just got the standard sort of collar. It's got more of a stretchy elastic bit here, and then just got a thin like band around here. And the stripes have been they've been heat pressed on. They're like a rubber, and you've got the yellow piping that goes all the way down, which I guess matches the gold that you've got here for the authentic licensed product Adidas tag, which has been pressed on. It's the player spec one, so again the Adidas here has been heat pressed on. Likewise the Real Madrid crest heat pressed on. And the material, look how thin that is with my hand for it. I'll show it more at the bottom. Oh, I just remembered, here's that dot. Oh, it's gone now. But this is all rubbered on. And on the sleeve we have HP. And that again is the rubber, not vinyl. The yellow piping goes down this side as well. But yeah, my hand under it doesn't look as bad down there. So it's a different sort of material. Look, here it's like a shiny sort of material. But as you get up here, it's a mesh. So that's the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll take a look at the reverse side now. It is just so plain. I wish they would do something a little bit more with it. This could be any era of Madrid. But yeah, let's flip it around and we'll look at the reverse side now. Okay, we're onto the reverse, and you can probably see that HP a little bit better on this side. And again, my hand for it clearly visible. You've got some grey banding around there. It's got a weird sort of texture to it. But I did notice, look how see-through that is. If you had anything on your back at all, that's going to be clearly visible. Even the sizing and that. So if you've got your body in there, everyone's just going to see what size you are. And the back of it is the same sort of mesh. So the reverse side of this shirt is really, really see-through. And it has got the little flap at the bottom as well. And actually, it's got up here the neck press as well. But yeah, I just can't believe how see-through this is. I know it's white and it's always going to be that a little bit more see-through, but this is shocking. If you had a name set on there, I suppose you need a name set on there actually to get rid of this. I don't know if the player shirts are like this, really this see-through. Maybe they wear some form of vest underneath it. Oh look, the hemline's not been done very well. Bit of a dodgy stitch in there. And then it goes up there. We'll take a proper look at that when we go on the inside. But yeah, the hemline on the back doesn't look that good. That's the outside fully done. Let's take a look now at the inside of this Real Madrid 25-26 home shirt. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and we've got the standard tag that we did see earlier. Real Madrid Adidas jersey. Adidas stripes I mentioned have been pressed on, likewise with the HP. They look really smooth, to be fair. You do have up here just one of the tags as well. So it's got the 125 QR code there. There's our Real Madrid crest, which has been pressed on. That feels quite nice. And so does the Adidas. Adidas always look a bit dodgy when they're embroidered on, so actually when you get them pressed on, they are quite nice. The Emirates Fly Better, that feels really good and really smooth. Down here we have our washing instructions. Recommendation is to flip these shirts inside out and do them on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, just let them hang dry. Do not put them in a tumble dry or anything like that, and then your shirt will last a good amount of time. There's the tag for the authentic licensed product that we had. And what's the hemline like down on this side? Yeah, this side doesn't look too bad. Take a proper dive when we look at the other side. But stitching, all looks good. Under the arm. I think that's just a crease from the bag actually. I thought there was something there, but yeah, just a crease from the bag. Okay, we've got our final part inside the shirt. Oh yeah, and yeah, straight away it makes me chuckle. Like, this could be the outside. You'd never know. It just looks so see-through. Everything is really, really clear. There's that part here for your neck support. I do like that actually. I didn't know for a start, but it's kind of grown on me. XL slim fit. So this is a player spec version, so the recommendation is to always size up on the player spec ones. So if you're a large, go XL. If you're an XL, go double XL. On the player spec ones, I actually go 2 sizes up. That's only because I like wearing stuff underneath them. So here we can see, look, the hemline. It's just a bit of a messy join there. It didn't go on as tight as it could have done. And there, that's a shame. But it's on the inside, so no one's really going to notice it. But again, just how see-through that is. Look at that. Madness. But that is the inside of our Real Madrid shirt. A lot of creases down there. And there we have it, our Real Madrid home shirt for the 25-26 season. This shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. If you've got any questions, comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I will leave a dhgate link as well for my usual seller. So if it's not this sort of site that you like, then you've got the dhgate equivalent. Hopefully I'll be able to leave it for this shirt. It should be able to find this one at Beans. It's quite a big team. But if not, I will just leave it for a generic item. For me, I've mentioned it before numerous times, Real Madrid shirts for me are just a little bit too plain and too boring. The yellow piping is to try and I guess make it look a bit different, but this could be any era of Real Madrid. I'd just like it to see it slightly different. It could be, I don't know, even the retro ones I guess were pretty much the same, but there's just something more about them, a bit more life to them. These ones to me just look all the same. As I said, the seller is bestzv1.com, all details in the description. I'll also leave the dhgate link as well. If you've got any comments, questions, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I hope you've enjoyed this one as we give you the final view. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.